France and Africa share a long and complex history, marked by both collaboration and conflict. For centuries, France held significant colonial possessions across the African continent, leaving a lasting impact on the political, economic, and social landscapes of many nations. The legacy of colonialism continues to shape relations between France and its former colonies, with issues like economic exploitation, cultural imperialism, and political interference remaining points of contention. Despite gaining independence decades ago, many African nations retain close ties with France, particularly in the realms of language, education, and economic partnerships. However, in recent years, there has been a noticeable shift in the dynamics of this relationship, characterized by growing anti-French sentiment and a desire for greater autonomy on the part of African nations. This evolving landscape is further complicated by the emergence of new global players such as China, Russia, and Turkey, who are eager to establish their own influence and partnerships on the continent. As a result, France finds itself at a crossroads, grappling with its historical baggage while navigating the complexities of a changing geopolitical landscape in Africa. The following sections will delve deeper into the specific events and factors that have contributed to the current tensions between France and Africa, examining the multifaceted challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for both sides. One of the most visible signs of France's shifting role in Africa has been the gradual reduction of its military presence on the continent. This is particularly evident in the Sahel region, where France has been engaged in counter-terrorism operations against Islamist insurgents for nearly a decade. Faced with mounting casualties, escalating costs, and a perceived lack of progress in stabilizing the region, France has begun to draw down its troops and reassess its military commitments. The withdrawal has been met with mixed reactions, with some welcoming the move as a long overdue recognition of African sovereignty, while others express concerns about a potential security vacuum. This decline in French military engagement is driven by a confluence of factors, including domestic pressure to prioritize resources at home, a growing sense that military solutions alone cannot solve the complex challenges facing the Sahel, and a recognition of the need for more sustainable and locally led security initiatives. The retreat from the Sahel marks a significant turning point in France's military posture in Africa, signaling a move away from direct intervention and towards a more collaborative approach that emphasizes capacity building, intelligence sharing, and support for regional security forces. French President